You are warmly welcome to the Rapid WhatsApp e-commerce course. It is our happy privilege to welcome you. First of all, we want to give you the overview of what you are to expect in this important masterclass. Have you ever wanted to create a fully functional e-commerce website that is fully integrated with your desired payment gateway? Or have you wanted to get a website where your customers can buy and pay for their orders right on your website, whether through mobile money or credit card? And most importantly, no matter which country they are buying from. I hope probably you might have thought of this. But has the cost involved blown your mind and given up on this special marketing strategy? If you share these concerns, then you are at the right place. In this Rapid WhatsApp e-commerce course, that is exactly what we are going to teach you. You are going to learn how to create a fully functional e-commerce website. And the best part of it is that we are going to use a free platform to do that. And you can even use your mobile phone to create everything. And this is going to be possible with the power of WhatsApp. Maybe you may ask, what makes Rapid WhatsApp e-commerce course different from other WhatsApp e-commerce courses? In this Rapid WhatsApp e-commerce course, we are not just teaching you how to create this e-commerce website, but we are going to teach you how to even set up your business correctly and in a legal way. Even if you have an existing business, we are going to help you through this course to review your business if you started the business the right way and in a legal foundation. We will also teach you how to scale your business to maximize your daily profit. You just look at the bonus packages that are available for you right here in this course. As a bonus package, we will teach you the best way to start business and how to even register your business with all the government legal backings. If you are in Ghana, don't worry. We are going to share with you the Ghana Registrar General's portal, where you can securely register your business name and also check if that business name even already exists or not. The same thing has been done for friends in Nigeria. We are going to share the Nigerian Corporate Registry portal with you, where you can check for existing businesses and also register your new businesses in Nigeria. This is not only applicable to Ghana and Nigeria, but whichever country that you are located, you can find all these resources in your country. The secrets in WhatsApp Business app and also the tips you need to know in this WhatsApp Business platform has also been explained in detail in this masterclass step by step. You cannot start a business without a logo, flyers, or banners to advertise your business. These important graphic designs are very expensive to get and it's going to cost you a lot of money. But we are going to teach you how to design a logo, flyers, and banners in this important course. And we are going to use free websites and free applications to do this. Today, Facebook is the #1 social media platform in the world that has over 2 billion active users each month. How can you leverage the power and popularity of this platform to the advantage of your business? All of these questions are going to be answered in the Facebook marketing part of this course. Are you just thinking about how much such a detailed course is going to cost? Don't worry, we have taken care of that already. This course is on sale for a limited time for 100 Ghana cedis, which is equivalent to $17. Yes, you heard me right, 100 Ghana cedis or $17. This is a very big opportunity for the young ones in Africa and the world to jump into this program. You can master this skill and start creating fully functional e-commerce website for business owners and charge up to 500 Ghana cedis per one website. Imagine you create for 10 people in a month and calculate the income you're going to derive from this. That is equivalent to 5,000 Ghana cedis. So we are talking about getting 5,000 Ghana cedis in a month. If you're a business owner too, you save up to 1,500 Ghana cedis that you will be giving to website designers for an e-commerce website and also the additional cost for managing the website by learning this important skill. The world is going digital, so don't get left behind. Present all your products and services to the world through the internet and increase your sales. So hurry and register today for immediate access to the course. So if you are watching this video on Facebook or YouTube or any other platform, just click on the accompanying link and come to the course page on the Rapid Entrepreneurs website. Now that you're on the course page, just scroll down and click on Add to Cart button and fill in your details. During the checkout, you can pay by mobile money or through credit card right on the website. This could be done from any part of the world, no matter your geographic area. Whether you're in Nigeria, Angola, South Africa, or any part of the world, just click on the Add to Cart button and you can securely pay your money through the secure website. You don't need to send any proof of payment, but you will get immediate access to the course after you register. Then you start doing your course by going to your dashboard right on the website. Thank you for registering, and let's meet in the main course area.